At Plan B Technologies, we can help you improve the way you manage and deliver the apps, data, and IT services your workforce needs to be productive, on any device, all without sacrificing security or IT control. VMware Workspace ONE is a unified platform that manages and delivers any application on any device simply and securely. With Workspace ONE, you can create digital workspaces so end users can go to one place for all their apps and data, regardless of device. You can improve security and compliance by establishing and enforcing granular access policies, and even simplify IT operations by enabling IT to manage all devices, apps, and locations on one platform. How are organizations benefiting from Workspace ONE? End users can access the apps they need through a simple, self-service catalog. New employee devices can be onboarded quickly without tickets or help desk calls. Windows 10 device management and migration becomes incredibly simple. And IT can create BYOD programs that allow employees to securely use their own devices. We've been in business since 2001 and a VMware partner for just as long. Take advantage of our expertise and let us help your organization benefit from their industry-leading digital workspace and virtualization solutions. Reach out to schedule a strategic whiteboard consultation with one of our expert engineers. We'll answer your questions and show you how you can get a free 5-day test drive of Workspace ONE.